Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple tic-tac-toe game in Java. We will start with defining our variables. We're going to define them up here so that we can use them anywhere we want. And we will get input from the players as they do their play, so we need a scanner. And we are going to define our board, and our board is going to be a 3x3 multi-dimensional array. And also I will define player X and O, and I will be done with this section. And after that we will write a function that will print an empty board. This part can be a little tricky and it will take a little long to write it. You should imagine the board and write it piece by piece. Personally, I once wrote it by heart and then memorized it, but still have a hard time to write it without a mistake, so I can't judge if you have some hard time writing the board at your first attempt. And of course I'm doing voiceover my coding. So now we will write the player X function to use in our main loop, and we need a while true loop, and we will get row and column as an input from the player X. If the number is equal to an empty box, it will be a well play. If not, we will print you can play that box on the screen and go to the beginning of our loop. And lastly, we will print the latest board and break the loop. And also we will write the same code for player O. So in our main loop, in our main function, we will use a while true loop. In a while true loop, we will welcome the players and get input from them. And for new game, Q for quit, and for the else statement, it is gonna print invalid character. So first, we will print the empty board and a while true loop, and we will check if there is still an empty box to play. If not, we will print game over and stop the code. If there is still a box to play, we will call the player X turn function and check if the winner is player X after the play. There are 8 cases to win in TicTacToe. I will write them all in if statements, and if one of them is true, we will break the loop and print the winner's name. Since it takes a while to write these statements, I wrote them before recording this video not to lose time, so I'm going to copy and paste them. We will write the same code for the player O. and at the end we will break the main while true loop. So here I copy and paste it and break the main loop. And there we go. Let's run this and test it. I have a little error there. So now we can test it. So that's all for this video. I will leave the source code of this game in the description. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video for more videos. See you in the next video.